Class 10 NCERT Maths, Chapter number 13, Surface Areas and Volumes, Exercise 13.2, Question 5. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the brim. When lid shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter, are dropped into the vessel and 1/4 of the water flown out, find the number of lid shots dropped in the vessel. Now, as shown in the figure, R1 is radius of cone, H is height of cone, and R2 is a radius of droplet which is in the form of sphere. R1 5 centimeter, H 8 centimeter, R2 radius of sphere 1/2 centimeter because it is given. Now volume of cone 1/3 pi R1 square H. Now 1/4 volume of cone equal to n times volume of droplet. It will be 1/4 into 1/3 pi R1 square H equal to n 4/3 pi R2 cube. Now cancelling on both the side pi in numerator and 3 in denominator, and let us write down formula for n. It will be R1 square H upon 4 into R2 cube, and putting the value of R1, H and R2, we can get n equal to 5 square into 8 upon 4 into 1/2 cube, and 2 cube we are shifting from denominator to numerator. Then we can get n equal to 5 into 5 into 8 into 2 cube upon 4 into 4, and after cancellation we can get n equal to 5 into 5 into 2 into 2, then n equal to 100. Question 8. A solid iron pole of a cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter 24 cm, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 cm and radius 8 cm. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 cm cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. Use pi equal to 3.14. Now here in figure, larger cylinder and smaller cylinder are shown. For smaller cylinder, we will write down R2 equal to 8 cm, H2 60 cm, and for larger cylinder, we will write down H1 220 cm, D1 24 cm, then R1 radius will be 12 cm. Now total volume will be pi R1 square H1 plus pi R2 square H2, and putting the value of R1, R2, H1, H2, we will get pi into 12 square into 220 plus pi into 8 square into 60. Then it will be 144 into 220 pi plus 64 into 60 pi. Then it will be 31680 pi plus 3840 pi. Then answer will be 35520 pi centimeter cube. Then 35520 into 3.14. Then we will get 111,532.8 centimeter cube. But 1 centimeter cube equal to 8 gram. Then 111,532.8 centimeter cube equal to how many gram? Then we will get 892,262.4 gram. Then final answer will be 892.2624 kilogram. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 cm and radius 60 cm standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 cm is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 cm and its height is 180 cm. Here it is given that in a cylinder we are keeping a solid which is made up of cone and hemisphere. Now radius of cone, hemisphere and cylinder, these are equal, and it will be 60 centimeter. Now small h is height of cone, then H will be 120 centimeter. Now, capital H is height of cylinder. It is H equal to 180 centimeter. Now, volume of water left equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Now, volume of water left equal to pi r square H minus into bracket 1/3 pi r square H plus 2/3 pi r cube. Now, putting the value of r, capital H and small h, we will get pi into 60 square into 180 minus 60 square into 120 upon 3 minus 2 into 60 cube upon 3. Here 2 upon 3 pi r cube is volume of hemisphere, 1/3 pi r square h is volume of cone, and pi r square h is volume of cylinder. Now 60 square we are taking common out, then 60 square into pi into 180 minus 40, then answer will be 60 square into pi into 100, it will be 3600 into 100 into 3.14, then 1130400 centimeter cube. Then we are converting into meter cube, 1.131 meter cube, because 10 lakh centimeter cube equal to 1 meter cube. Then 1130400 centimeter cube equal to how many centimeter cube? Now question number 8. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 cm long, 2 cm in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 cm. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 cm cube. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as the inside measurement and pi 3.14. So here the measurements are given which are inside measurement, and here as shown in the figure, spherical diameter is 8.5 cm and its radius is 4.25 cm, and small h is height of cylinder. Now small r is a radius of cylinder. It is 2 by 2 equal to 1 cm, because diameter is given 2 cm, and small h is height of cylinder. It is 8 cm. Now volume of vessel, we can use formula volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. Then formula will be pi r square h plus 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now putting the value of small r, small h and capital R, we can get pi into bracket 1 square into 8 plus 4 upon 3 into 4.25 cube. Then pi into 24 as 8 3s are 24 plus 4 into 4.25 cube whole upon 3. Then pi by 3 into 24 plus 307.0625. Then 331.0625 multiply 3.14 upon 3. Then our answer is 346.512 centimeter cube. So child has measured 345 centimeter cube. So child is not correct.